As we know, hello or hi are the same in Hindi, so we can say salam, namaste. Okay? Yes. So then we have this sentence: You are Penny, aren't you? So we also already know how to make these tag questions and question tags. So this is the question tag we know. Okay. Yes. तो aren't you, we already know. So now we will go word by word. तो you is तुम और आप, are is हो और हैं, and penny. तो you are penny, आप penny हैं. Then we use aren't you, that is a question tag. In Hindi we just use na. So the sentence becomes तुम penny हो ना और आप penny हैं ना. Okay, good. Then we have yes I am. तो yes हाँ I am मैं हूँ, पैनी बैंड वी कैन से दिस, है ना. हाँ मैं पैनी हूँ, और वी जस्ट कैन से हाँ मैं हूँ. Okay, then we have you met Penny? So we already know whenever we put any helping verb in the beginning, so that shows we are talking about a question, yes or no type questions. So yes, so first we will make the sentence. Before making a sentence we will use kya in the beginning. Then we know this perfect tense, you know, present perfect tense, we already know how to make it. So we use the subject first. Subject is आप, है ना, क्या आप Penny say. Whenever we meet someone, we use say after the person's name. Penny say, and then met. Met is Millie or Mile or Mila as per the gender and number. So we are talking about singular feminine. So we will say Millie and then have हो और हैं. तो क्या तुम पैनी से मिली हो, और क्या आप पैनी से मिली हैं. ओके. Now, no, I don't. So, same as we reply in negative. तो मैं नहीं मिली, नहीं मैं नहीं मिली. तो here we also can say मिली हूँ, but why we are not using? Because I did tell you before, we don't use helping verb in the sentences of present where there is a verb exists. Okay, so yeah, there is a verb that is milna. So that's why we are not using who or hai or ho. So then we have this nice to meet you, as it is aapse milkar अच्छा लगा. Good. Then I am an. So we know I is मैं, an is an, am is who. So मैं and who. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? So we already did that. Whenever we have it in the beginning, so we don't use it. Let's make the sentence first. ये, then we use a beautiful day, अच्छा और सुंदर दिन है, and then the question tag ना. तो I did tell you we don't use ये, तो we just say अच्छा दिन है ना. Okay, yes. तो मैं एन हूँ, अच्छा दिन है ना. Amazing. Then yes it is. तो the reply is हाँ अच्छा दिन है. Good. So that is yes, it's a beautiful day. Yes, then let's have lunch here. So yes, now we will see how to use let. So whenever the sentence start with let, that means let's do something. So we can use आओ or chalo. Okay, for let's. So आओ or chalo, have lunch. So we do lunch, we use do in Hindi करना. तो लंच करते हैं और डिनर करते हैं. Okay, so you have to see this. Whenever we use chalo or आओ, first here I am using chalo, so we can add it as indefinite tense. खाते हैं, तो present indefinite tense, how to make it? We just add ता ती ते in the sentence and it becomes the present indefinite. चलो यहाँ, here. चलो यहाँ खाना खाते हैं. Then let's see once more. Chalo, we did chalo, now we will say आओ. So same as it is we can use आओ यहाँ, here. यहाँ खाना खाते हैं, है ना. हैव लंच, हैव लंच मीन्स खाते हैं. वी डोंट यूज लंच और डिनर और एनीथिंग, वी जस्ट से खाना normally. If you want to highlight this lunch, तो you can say दोपहर का खाना खाते हैं. Okay. Then sorry I'm not hungry. तो sorry is माफ़ कीजिए, I'm not hungry, मुझे भूख नहीं है. तो इन दिस केस whenever we are expressing any feeling, तो hunger is a feel, है ना, hungry is a feeling, तो we use objective case of a noun or pronoun. तो objective case how to use? We use को, after the noun or pronoun. So here is I is मैं, and we say मैं plus को becomes मुझे, मुझको और मुझे. तो here we will say मुझे भूख नहीं है. Okay, मुझे भूख नहीं है. Okay, so it's a feeling, that's why it's objective case. Then same, yeah. Then how would be going a movie? तो we already know how to make future sentences. तो first would be है ना, तो be is रहना. So what we do, we just remove na from it and then we will add gagi ge. And how going, it a third person singular, तो ra, and then we have to add a sound from here, rahega है ना, तो it will become rahega. If you don't know how to modify future verb, you can see our previous videos, there we did this already. Okay, how to modify that. तो रहेगा, तो going to a movie, जाना movie. Yes, तो मूवी देखने जाना है ना, to see. Here we added how would be going to a movie, to see a movie. तो we know to see is देखना, तो we just देखने जाना. तो here देखने जाना. तो why we use देखने? Because there is a के लिए is hidden in it, and we know whenever we have a sound, we have a sound, so we just make it a sound whenever we have the post preposition. तो के लिए is a post preposition here which is hidden in Hindi. Okay, to a movie, तो movie देखने जाना कैसा रहेगा. Okay, good. तो now yes, okay, तो हाँ ठीक है, this simple thing you already know. Now we are moving advanced one. So here we have this exercise, so we already did. Let's go to a restaurant. तो आओ और चलो, then we can end it in the indefinite tense. तो चलते हैं, आओ और चलो, restaurant चले और चलते हैं. This one more way. Yes, so you can also can end it in this way, or you can say चलते हैं और चलें. Okay, so we can make all the sentences in this way whenever you have let's in the sentence. So चलो और आओ, restaurant चले और restaurant चलते हैं. Okay, so these are the two ways to use let's. If you don't understand anything, you can comment me, I will make a separate video for that. Okay, but we did already in the previous videos, so if you are following the previous videos, so you can easily understand what we are doing here. Good. So now we have the jumble sentences. We will make a perfect sentence here. So how we make the sentence in Hindi? So we use subject, then we use object, then we use verb, then helping verb. Okay, so now we will find out the sentences like this. So we have the subject here, है ना, so subject is so here we have this kya as well. So whenever we have the question tag, so we put the kya in the beginning. So kya, first kya आप, the subject, दोपहर के खाने. तो we know दोपहर का खाना is an object, the lunch है ना, 3 क्या आप दोपहर के खाने. then we use the verb or helping verb. तो here we have two verbs, आना और चाहोगे. तो we use the main verb in the end. तो चाहोगे is the main verb, तो we will use it at the end. तो we will use आना. तो क्या आप दोपहर के खाने पर, at है ना, पर is at, पर आना. तो this is 4, then it's 5 and this is 6. चाहोगे, तो क्या आप दोपहर के खाने पर आना चाहोगे. Okay, what that mean? Would, so because kya is in the beginning, so it means helping verb is in the beginning. Would you like, चाहोगे, would like, it's combined. दोपहर का खाना, दोपहर का खाना is lunch, तो we are using पर, तो खाना और के is changing, का और खाना is changing to के खाने. Okay, and then the secondary verb आना, चाहोगे. तो secondary verbs come as it is, आना चाहोगे. Good. Then yeah, so now make it. तो first we say माफ़ कीजिए, if he don't want to come है ना, तो माफ़ कीजिए, that is sorry. The subject I, और we have डर है, सकता मैं, माफ़ कीजिए, आ मुझे कि नहीं. तो here we know the objective case in that case है ना, whenever we use सकता, can, तो मुझे, तो I, तो I am sorry, माफ़ कीजिए, I, डर है, there is a डर as well, तो I am scared. Yes, we will make it I am scared, I cannot come. आई कैन नॉट कम। तो मुझे तो माफ़ कीजिए, सॉरी, मुझे डर है, तो आई एम स्कैर्ड दैट मैं नहीं आ सकता, है ना, मुझे डर है कि मैं नहीं आ सकता, और है ना, ओ यस हियर, मुझे डर है द ऑब्जेक्टिव, मैं मुझे डर है मैं नहीं आ सकता। गुड। देन अगेन, मेरे आपसे पड़ोसी मिले क्या हैं। तो हेयर वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस, so we are asking a question, so here we can put the kya in the beginning. Whenever we make the question, we put the kya in the beginning, kya, then the subject aap, kya aap, then object मेरे पड़ोसी, है ना, तो मेरे पड़ोसी से, whenever we use मिलना तो we use say after the noun or pronoun, तो पड़ोसी is a noun here, तो we use पड़ोसी से मिले हैं, ओके। तो क्या आप मेरे पड़ोसी से मिले हैं, दैट मीन्स हैव, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन मार्क, आप, यू, मेरे पड़ोसी, माई नेबर, से इज फ्रॉम विद, और मिले हैं मैट, तो हैव यू मेट माई नेबर, ओके, गुड। देन वी हैव दीज वर्ड्स, मिला नहीं मैं, तो वी नो मिला इज met, nahi is not, मैं is I, and nahi is again no, because when we use it two times in the beginning, so we say no, I haven't, or I have not met, है ना। तो first we need to say first no, है ना, no, नहीं, मैं नहीं मिला, this is the structure, good। then चाहूँगा तुम्हें मैं जैन मिलवाना से, तो हेयर वी अगैन नो वी यूज़ द सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट, तो हेयर चाहूँगा तुम्हें मैं, तो मैं इज़ सब्जेक्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ इन द सब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म, एंड तुम्हें इज़ इन ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म, तो इट इज़ द ऑब्जेक्ट, तो फर्स्ट वी यूज़ सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज़ मैं, then the object तुम्हें, then चाहूँगा, we know that this future, present and past verb used in the end only, तो it is not, तो मैं तुम्हें, then Jane is also object, तो third is Jane say, after the name or noun we use say when we meet someone, so this is the fourth one, Jane say, and then the secondary verb, that is milwana, we already know how to make milwana, है ना, this form of verb, तो 5 एंड देन 6, मिलवाना चाहूँगा, तो मैं तुम्हें जेन से मिलवाना चाहूँगा, अमेजिंग, तो आई वुड लाइक यू टू मीट जेन। देन अगैन, मिलकर लगा अच्छा आपसे, तो आपसे से इज़ यूजिंग, दैट इज़ वी आर इट इज़ यूजिंग विद मिलना, तो मिलकर, नॉर्मली मिलकर मीन्स आफ्टर मीटिंग यू, in Hindi it translates like this, लगा is felt in Hindi, अच्छा तो good or best or better, तो I did tell you we don't translate the sentence like this in Hindi, this one only this, so it is I felt good meeting you, it is the translation in English, but in English we use it as you know, nice to meet you, but in Hindi we use it like this, आपसे मिलकर, तो again we are using say with आप because we are using मिलना, good। then रहेगा मूवी कैसा जाना, तो here you know this is the future verb, so it will be used in the end, then movie कैसा जाना, तो the subject is movie here, we can see because must be talking about the movie, तो movie number 1, then movie जाना, so this is the object here, it's not verb here because verb is this, मूवी जाना कैसा रहेगा, है ना, तो हाउ विल बी गोइंग टू अ मूवी, ओके। देन रहेगा ये बहुत तो अच्छा, तो ये इज़ यू नो द सब्जेक्ट, ये दिस, तो दिस, है ना, बहुत अच्छा कम्स टुगेदर, दैट इज़ वेरी गुड, है ना, बहुत इज़ वेरी, अच्छा इज़ गुड, वेरी गुड, रहेगा विल बी, है ना, द फ्यूचर वर्ब विल बी, तो इज़ हिंदी एक्सप्रेशन whenever we want to highlight any special thing, that is बहुत अच्छा. I want to highlight this बहुत अच्छा, तो I will use तो before it. ये तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Okay, this will be good or very good. Yeah. So here meeting, the word meeting is meeting. आप रहे, रहे, रहा, रही, we know use in the use as helping verb in continuous tense of past and present. So it is the helping verb which goes in the end. लिए, लिए, के लिए is the verb, के लिए, that is for. Jana is the, ja is the root verb of jana, and that means go. So this, because it's a root verb, so this is the main verb. So here and na, yes, so it is the question tag, so it comes in the end. So here we don't use kya in the beginning, we will use subject first. So subject is aap, then the object meeting, के लिए, 3, then the verb ja, रहे, helping verb with the in continuous tense, रहे, and then है ना, the question tag, है ना. You are going for a meeting, aren't you? We already discussed this formation of sentences, the question tag. Good. Then so here we will see ja, ja is the root verb of jana, so it must become in the end. Nahi, nahi, we know the no or not. Nahi, मैं, I, रहा, it's a helping verb of continuous tense. Meeting, meeting is meeting. के लिए, again that is for. नहीं, so here 2 times नहीं, so that is sentence begin with नहीं. So नहीं, so we'll use this नहीं, then the subject मैं, then the object meeting, के लिए. For nahi, then we use nahi before the verb, because now we have the verb only. Nahi, the root verb ja, छे, रहा. Okay, नहीं, मैं मीटिंग के लिए नहीं जा रहा, that means no, I'm not going for the meeting. Then किताब है ना ये मज़ेदार. So it's easy, just remember the structure, subject, object, verb, and the question mark or question tag. So it is na with this question tag, so this will come in the end. So the subject is ye. Sorry, ye, that means this, and this book, the object is this book is है मज़ेदार, interesting, है ना. ना, the question tag, isn't it? Good. तो ये किताब मज़ेदार है ना, दिस बुक इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग, है ना, isn't it, like this. ओके, तो किताब, द बुक, दैट इज़ ऑब्जेक्ट, है, हाँ, यस, ये मज़ेदार, तो हाँ, तो सेंटेंस विल बिगिन फ्रॉम हाँ, बिकॉज वेन एवर वी हैव द क्वेश्चन टैग, तो द क्वेश्चन, द आंसर शुड बी स्टार्ट विद येस और नो. तो हाँ, यस, हाँ, देन द सब्जेक्ट ये किताब, द ऑब्जेक्ट मज़ेदार, इंटरेस्टिंग, 3, 4, है, द 5. तो येस, दिस बुक इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग, मज़ेदार इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग. गुड. देन लैपटॉप है ना अच्छा ये दिखता, तो अगेन यू कैन ईजिली connect it, it's a na, so it is a question tag, so it will come in the end with this question tag. So now the subject ye is this, object is laptop, अच्छा, good, दिखता, the verb, looks, है ना, looks, है ना, the question tag, है ना. तो this laptop looks good, isn't it? तो है is the helping verb for third person in Hindi. तो yes, ये लैपटॉप अच्छा दिखता है ना, that means this laptop looks good, isn't it, or doesn't it. हाँ, है अच्छा ये दिखता, तो again same, yes, this looks good, है ना. तो yes it is. In English we just make the short form yes it is, but in Hindi we say the full sentence yes it looks good. हाँ, ये अच्छा दिखता है. Then पेन है ना मेरा ये, तो now the subject again ये, this pen the object, then the possessive case मेरा, ये पेन मेरा है ना, the question tag, 5. तो ये पेन मेरा है ना, तो दिस पेन is my, isn't it, है ना, or this is my pen, isn't it. So just keep going with the flow and the sentences, so you will be find them easy, and they will be used in the future speaking practice as well. Okay, if you didn't see these things, so you can see my previous videos, and we have cleared all these things before. Okay, now this is the practice only. Good. Yes, then there's two nahi we can see, so sentence will start from nahi, so we can take any of both. Yes, one nahi, then the subject ye, this, your the object, है ना, ये तुम्हारा, the तुम्हारा pen is the object, है ना, नहीं है, हाँ, yes, नहीं, ये तुम्हारा पेन नहीं है, तो no, this is not your pen. Then आपकी है ना चाबियाँ ये, तो again you know, now you can easily make it ये, this, these actually, because चाबियाँ are plural, these are, है ना, your, आपकी, your keys, these are your keys, isn't it, है ना, aren't they, sorry, aren't they, ये चाबियाँ आपकी है ना, these are your keys, aren't they. Good. Then it's easy now, you can easily make it. The subject yes, हाँ, हाँ, तो yes, these, ये मेरी हैं, yes, they are mine or my. Good. Then यहाँ करते ना हो काम तुम, तो the subject is तुम, है ना, that is you, तुम यहाँ, the object here, you here, काम, काम करना is actually one word, that is to work, to do work, है ना, तुम यहाँ काम करते हो ना, तो काम करना is the verb, the subject, object, verb and the question tag. तो तुम यहाँ काम करते हो ना, that is you work here. Don't you or doesn't you, or don't you actually. Good. Then नहीं, यहाँ मैं करता नहीं काम, तो same, नहीं, मैं the subject, I, नहीं मैं यहाँ the object, काम नहीं करता. So when we have the verb which has two words like काम करना, so we use नहीं between them. Okay, तो काम is the main thing, करता is the supporting word. हाँ, तो काम नहीं करता, तो नहीं, मैं यहाँ काम नहीं करता. Here you can see the काम करना is the to do work and नहीं comes between them. Okay, तो no, I don't work here. Then तुम करती ना हो पसंद concert. Okay, तो here तुम is you, we know this is the subject. तुम करती ना हो पसंद, तो पसंद करना is the verb, that is to like, together. Then concert, so the object is concert here, so you like the concert, so these kind of things come in the end, because you know, so you like the concert, because like is the verb in English, come right after the subject, है ना, so you like the concert, don't you, no, so don't you, no. Same. Oh, yes, हाँ, मैं actually this jumble sentence is wrong, I didn't correct it, but this is the correct. हाँ, मैं concert पसंद करती हूँ, तो yes, I, मैं, पसंद करती, like, I like concert, है ना, yes, I like concert, so it is the present indefinite tense, and in this case we use ta ti te in the verb, so this is okay. So this was the last thing. Please subscribe, like and share if you like the videos. Thank you.